Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a new dry cleaning order right from your iPhone. This makes it quick and easy to take in orders on the go without needing to be at a computer. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to create a dry cleaning order right from your iPhone. Let's jump into the Orders app to get started. To begin a new order, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. This will open up the Select Customer screen. Scroll through your customer list and pick the customer you're creating the order for. Once the customer is selected, the Services page loads up. Swipe through the Service tabs at the top to find the one you need. Tap on Dry Cleaning to pull up all the dry cleaning options. Once the dry cleaning items load up, take a quick scroll through to find what you need. Go ahead and tap on the Suite, Blazer item. On the Item Details page, pick the Business Suite, Standard, Wool option to match your customer's garment. Scroll down to find the Treatment section, where you can add any special care instructions for this garment. Tap on Delicate Handling to flag this item for extra care. Go ahead and add Standard Spot Treatment as well. Next, scroll down to the Photos section and tap the camera icon to capture the item's condition before processing. Snap a clear photo of the garment. If it looks good, hit Use Photo to attach it to the order. Tap Add to Cart to save this item along with all its treatments. Back on the Services page, tap the cart bar at the bottom to review what you've added. You'll see the item along with all its treatments listed here. Once you've confirmed everything looks right, hit Checkout to move forward. The checkout screen pulls up the full order summary, including the subtotal, any technology fee, and the final total for the customer. When you're ready to take payment, tap the Pay button at the bottom. The order is now in the cart and ready for checkout. Next, we'll move on to processing payment, starting by recording the cash payment from the customer. To record the payment, choose cash as the payment method since the customer is paying with cash. Tap the Record Cash button showing the total amount due. On the Collect Cash screen, confirm the transaction by hitting Record Cash at the bottom. And there it is. The Payment Complete screen confirms the cash transaction went through. Go ahead and tap Done to wrap things up. You'll land back on the main orders screen, and just like that, your dry cleaning order is created and ready to go. And that's the cash payment recorded and the order wrapped up. You now know how to create a new dry cleaning order right from your iPhone. Give it a try on your next ticket, and it'll feel like second nature.